Okay, I'm going to continue here a little more, and this time I'm going to spend a bit more time sketching here, okay, getting you guys comfortable with sketching. I think this is fun. Initially, I had more drawings done towards the chess pieces, but I'm just going away from the chess pieces at this point. Okay, so let's work on the house. All right, guys, I'm going to make a new layer here and talk about shapes. So even the that you saw earlier, let's look here for a second. You see that? Oh yeah, that's maybe saying, you know, somebody's home or gone fishing, whatever. Like, and then you've got these, I guess these shapes here, creating a fence of some kind, wooden fence. So let me concentrate a bit on that and maybe even the house, okay? If I have time, I'll even do a bit of shading too with you guys, okay? So let's go to my favorite color, somewhere in the blue zone here. Okay, so again, before I said to you guys, every time you draw any shape you want, go over your lines, articulate it even more like that, okay? So this is a rectangle shape. This can potentially be a fence, right? Your picket fence, and let's just go like that. Everybody's expected to draw their own composition and then do your best to make it, okay? So if this was something like this and you're saying, yeah, Mr. Ballion, I'm interested in this kind of picket fence, and then maybe there's another one here that goes like that, it's smaller, and that one here, maybe this one has a crack in it. I'm adding a little too much. You don't need to do that in this grade, okay? All right, so this is what I do with my senior grades. We get into texturing and adding these little, you know, patterns and so on, and you know, that kind of stuff. So look at that, just simple shapes. Go in here, and you're doing this with a pencil. You're going over your lines. It's kind of cool, and then just pick the areas. So from a rectangle, basically, you learned to make the picket fence. Okay, so this could really be something like this. I'm holding shift right now. I'm doing this like really fast. It could be, you could do your fence that way for all I care. Okay, it's your design, folks. Okay, what I like to do is I like to make it more cartoon-like, and I taper. You can have this more like concrete if you want, those spheres on top. Okay, and then we can do stuff like this here if you want to do a little more, you know, refine indentation there, and then whatever down here you can have stuff like this. Okay, so it's fun. Look how simple what I'm trying to do here, guys. Really, I'm teaching you to draw rectangles, and with rectangles you can create so many cool shapes and spheres. Okay, so there's that part. I'm gonna maybe resize it and make it smaller and move it to the side, just like that. Bye bye. Okay, let's talk about the house. Okay, so any postcards that you see, type in Winter Wonderland, you'll see some chalets looking like this, and maybe you have your chimney here, smoke coming out. Okay, so we got this part. Okay, nice little picturesque door that's wooden with a circle in it or whatever, this, something like that. Okay, so corner. So look how simple. If you want to make something like this, go for it. I'm not going to say no to you. Okay, so boom, boom, and notice that we're using the same shapes over and over. The only difference is I'm using an arc there, and I'm going to have this for my door like that. Okay, something like this, and my door. Okay, so there's that example of a house, and you can have tiles on here, and boom, boom, whatever, tiles, and then so on and so on. Okay, so that one's done. This is all right. This is fun. I hope you're liking doing some cool stuff like that. You can become an illustrator in the future. You can be a storyboard artist. You can just, you know, create art, have fun. You can make a living making postcards, perhaps. Okay, so the one that I did for me looks something like this. A little hut that goes like that. So notice the simple shapes again. I'm taking rectangles and I'm tapering them. I have this one here, and I think I did something like this. Okay, so I have a window with a frame above it. You can continue with another one down here. Okay, so boom, boom, like that. So notice how much fun this is. I'm not spending a lot of time. I'm basically, thank you, this video is done. No problem. I'm going to be posting all these today. So look, guys, here it is. Okay, so you can have this on an angle. So watch, whatever you draw. So basically, if I select this right now and I go like that or like this, okay, so whatever, you can actually have it on an angle, right? You can say, let's see, done, not bad. back to pencil. You can do a little path that comes out, maybe goes like that, like that. You can have tiles somewhere in here like that, you know, the yellow brick road. Okay, let's see if anybody remembers where that's from. Okay, so I could do my wooden door here, where like, you know, aged, and I could do my chimney somewhere over here like that. See, simple shapes. And later on, some of you, like, you could have had your sign here like this, you know, this is so and so's home, whatever. So look, very simple and stylized. If you want things to be regular and upright, you can certainly do this. Go like this, straight like that, okay? And what I'm always doing is going over my lines, okay? And then you can put your own writing in here. See how cool this is, guys? You can do something like this if you want. You can make it tiles, or you make long tiles. It's up to you. Okay, let's make this come out right, whatever. Something like that, okay? So I'm showing you, and then another thing is, if you're doing these kind of tiles here, which I did in 3D, I haven't shown it to you. Basically, it's a bunch of boxes, okay? Don't worry if this looks perfect or not. Every time what you do, simply, you just go over your work, and it pops. It's like that, and I can do a double here, like that, and make these little shingles up here, like that. We do this in our game module in the senior years. Okay, so you get, look at that, there's one over here. So basically you just elevated your drawing. See, it's not hard. You're learning to communicate from your mind, and you're starting your creative knowledge to expand here. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just giving you a stepping stone for you to kind of express what you want. It's a challenge where you take these shapes and then you bring it back into 3D. Let me see, where is this? Ding, ding, right there. So you notice that that's the drawing here. We add a chimney and so on and so on. It's fun. It's exciting, guys. I hope you're enjoying this grade 9 rotation. I wish I had this when I was your age. It would have helped me a lot more getting into architecture school. I did get in, but these kind of things are creative and fun stuff, okay? So you can have a hut looking like this, very, you know, Swedish if you want this style, go for it, you know what I mean? You can have little windows here, there, whatever, like it's up to you, okay? And I'm just roughing things out. Keep everything loose, guys. I'm not looking for perfect lines. Please don't feel like you have to erase and work over. Just sketch, okay? It's 8 minutes. This is pretty cool. If you guys are doing this on paper, if you are drawing your idea, remember to work on your rule of thirds. Okay, so here, boom, 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 draw a rectangle, pick your rule of thirds, and say, you know, somewhere over here, and say, yeah, I have my snowman here, Mr. Ballion, thanks, and I've got this guy here like this. There's my guy. There's my nose. Here's my hut somewhere over here. There's my path that goes in. Okay, I have some trees in the background, then I have some moguls and whatever, like little ones here. I have my tree. See, this is called a thumbnail sketch, okay? So let the eye is going here, and the eye is going here, and they're both in the 1/3 area, okay? So you see, that's kind of cool. So we have something in the foreground, FG. I'm doing this really fast, I apologize. Middle ground. And then the sky and the mountains in the back will be your BG. Okay, background. All right, look how much fun this is, guys. I hope, you know, just go in here, go in there, double this up, go like that, and you have a scarf that goes, and maybe the arm comes up with whatever you want. Okay, like that. Have fun. My guys actually got to digitally paint this as well. You learn digital painting in my class because we have tablets. It was a lot of fun, okay? So I hope you enjoy this. It's a lot of fun, guys. Grade 9, Ballion out. Bye-bye.